Be still and know that I am God. Let's take that idea, that thought with us into some meditative time together. So I'd like you to breathe in, breathe out. Let any tension leave your body. Sometimes we hold tension in weird places. You might notice you hold tension in your jaw or your neck, your lower back, your knees, wherever it is. Just as you breathe in, send peace to that area and relax. When we enter the silence, we enter our inner silence, the place in our heart, the place in our deepest mind, where we connect with the divine mind, the infinite intelligence, the cosmic forces. We enter that silence, that stillness. The verse says, "Be still and know that I am God." What happens when you know? What happens when you know? You find peace. What happens when you know? You find love. What happens when you know? You find joy. So today, there may be a word that you can focus on in your inner silence. Maybe that word is love, peace, or joy. And as we prepare our hearts for that love, peace, and joy, as we prepare our hearts, we settle our minds, and we enter the silence together. And as we breathe in, and as we breathe out, as you fill your heart with that peace, that love, that joy in the inner silence, know that that same attribute comes out into the world, and we let it flow, because we can be still and know God, and so it is.